Today I'm going to show you how we transplant all our trees. So today I'm planting some grapefruit tree, lemon, orange, and papaya. So what I do, I remove all the grass, then I dug a hole twice. I dig the hole deep enough, like twice as bigger than the container. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add organic matters to the bottom, or compost. I had black cow manure, and also I have my own compost that I made. I had that in there. Also, I go ahead, I use the water hose and I fill up that hole, or fill it up, cover all that compost with water. Then I had the plant inside the hole on top of the cow manure, and also I use some bone meal in there for the rooting, and I also use some blood meal. So I'm using black cow manure, and this is how I plant my fruit tree. I plant it next to the fence because I'm trying to save as much space as I can. So I'm keeping all the fruit tree close to the fence. And as you guys see, this side of the yard get a lot of sun all day, at least 8 hours sun. So I planted on this side of the yard. So I have all my citrus tree on this side, and then I have all my berries on the back wall. So I have a mulberry tree that I'm about to transplant out, but I'm trying to find the best spot for it, or a good spot for it, so we can get more production. So that's the hole. That's how I dig the hole deep, twice as deep as the pot. And this the lemon. So I go ahead and I had compost to that hole. Then I had water in there. I use the hose and I fill it up. So that helps, so I don't have to water every day on this. And I'm going to water this in 2 days. 2 days time, I'm going to water it again. So what I do, I gently remove my plant from the pot. And as you see the rooting, just put it in the hole and then add compost to it. After I had my compost to it, I had some topsoil. And I'm using black cow manure here. So I have this big mulberry tree. I'm trying to find a spot to put it, where to put it. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna find somewhere. So let's go see if we have any more space back here. These are all the newly transplant. These were transplanted out yesterday. I watered them at 6 o'clock this morning. Everything should be. The okra are looking good. Okras are looking good. Tomatoes are looking good too. Grapes coming up. Everything's coming up. So far everything's looking good. Those are the fig trees. So let's see what we did today. So we did plant some citrus tree today, 3 of them. So this is a navel orange right there. The Scotch bonnet pepper. This tree is loaded with pepper, because we're gonna get a really good harvest this season. It's the first season because we overwinter those. Those are from last year. So that's the orange tree. We did give it some bone meal and blood meal today. This one is a grapefruit tree. That's a pink grapefruit. I want to just put it in the ground also. That is a Maya lemon tree right there. Just put that one in the ground also. Hopefully we'll get some germinate. We'll get some fruits. This Let me know if you guys know what kind of plant is that, because I'm thinking it is dandelion. It looks just like dandelion. There's a lot of them in the yard, so I was thinking it's dandelion. And a papaya. So that's what we working on today: the papaya, lemon, grapefruit, and the orange. So right now I'm trying to find a spot to put this mulberry tree. I don't know where to put the mulberry tree. I might put it right there, but I have some pepper right there. But I know it do good in the sun, a lot of sunlight, because one of my neighbor at one of the condos, he has a mulberry tree and it do so good. It is loaded in the ground. So I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put this mulberry tree. Might do a video on it, might not. I need to give those those grapes some juice. So see you guys later. I have a lot of stuff to do, so this is how I amend my soil. I'm using black cow manure, because you guys know we down here in Florida, it's a lot of sand. It's sandy, very sandy. So I'm using black cow manure. And this, if you see this raised bed, this is how I amend this to get all these healthy veggies and fruits. Is because of the black cow manure mixed with my sand. And not only that, all my food scraps, my kitchen scraps, all organic matters go in there. And let me show you, this is where I get a lot of my compost from. Save me a lot, so I don't have to buy compost, because what I do, I put all my kitchen scraps in here at this orange root. And when I'm planting out, right now, I've been putting it here for years. So now when I'm transplanting out stuff, I just come here and dig this out and just use it to replant my crop, or to grow fruit trees and stuff like that. So let me get to work.